Alrighty guys, so I'm out here in my shop as you can tell, and figured I'd do a video on this really old ceiling fan that's been hanging here for as long as I can remember. I did a couple videos on it a long time ago, but this fan does not work. It did at one time, and then it just up and quit. It's probably because of the way I wired it, as you can see up here. See if I can walk around all this equipment on the floor. There's the tag on it. I'll get a picture of that. But like I said, it doesn't work. Just like my light over there doesn't work. Only got one light that works, but the numbers on this fan is 22019 something. 52-inch ceiling fan. Zooming in on it does nothing. I know some of y'all like these old ceiling fans, and I'm not going to bother trying to fix it because I have a big shop fan out on the patio where I do most of my work anyways, but this fan's probably just going to hang here for all eternity because I'm going to do nothing with it. Like I said, it was given to me probably back in 2008, 2007. Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this little video. Let me see if I can get a better look at it. Better look at it in the low light that it's in. But anyways, see you on the next video.